Welcome to my channel. Today I'll do this simple part. Start a new part file. Open a new sketch on the top plane. And do a circle. I actually forgot to change the units, so we're using inches for this one. So I'll sketch on top plane. Do one circle, 11 inches diameter. Do another circle. This one is 1.5 inches. That's perfect. Do another circle again. A lot of circles. This one will be 2 inches. Right. Now we exit the sketch and start extruding. Pick the extrude tool, close contour, so select this part and that part. Extrude it up to 0.5 inches. That's perfect. I need to do another extrusion for the other part. So go extrude, select that sketch again from the drop list. There we are. Select that inner part, change the direction of extrusion. Extrude up to 2.5 inches. Perfect. Now make a sketch on that face. Create sketch. Make a construction line, horizontal construction line from the center to the core, to the edge of the circle. Make another construction line. Also, as with the circumference of the circle, but the angle between these two lines should be 30 degrees. Now lines are fully defined. Now let's get some geometry going here. Now I think I'll go with the line tool. Go one line, go another line to hit the edge of the circle and stop there. And then now to another line, same thing, ends there. Now select the edge and convert entities. That's going to bring that line to our current sketch. Now to another line. Keep it in line with the construction line. In this way it's going to go. You can just eyeball it for now, we'll define it later. Now offset this edge here by 0.15 inches. Just reverse the side of the got it. Confirm. Okay. Got that. Now let's dimension. Dimension 2. From there, that is 0.25 inches, and from the center to that line should be 3 inches. This edge, just move it to the corner there, it will snap. Got it. Let us trim all the excess geometry. Get a trim tool, power trim. Run it through. There's nothing left there. Also those interlocking lines there. Like that. Done. Beautiful. Now our sketch is fully defined. Let's close the sketch. And extrude. Extrusion tool. Extrude that to 7 inches. Beautiful. Now while it is still selected, just go to the linear pattern tool. We need 6 of these. So circular pattern, pick a circular edge. Change the number to 6 units. There, beautiful. I got 6 of these. Our fan blasting shape now. Pick that top face there. Make a sketch. I need to put 2 circles in there. That's not gonna work. You can't do that, so you need to draw the circle out straight up. Just hit the edge there. It's gonna snap to 11 inches. To another one. This one is going to be 8 inches. Beautiful. Now you close the sketch and extrude. Change direction to the extrusion and extrude to 0.25 inches. Beautiful. Our part is finished. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.